Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man GPel. So I got a bunch of tempered glasses here for the iPhone XS Max, the iPhone XR, and then the iPhone XS. So I went on ahead and did the installation for you guys. This one actually went on a little bit better than the glass mag. But here it is. This is a 2-pack. There's another one inside of here. And I think it's really good to see that they give 2 just in case you make a mistake. But here it is, man. So this is the glass, and it's crystal clear. Actually, there's no obstruction for the front facing sensors there for your face unlocked, because this is a cutout just like the other ones. It's a full cutout. So I also have the privacy glass for the iPhone XS Max, and then also the same thing for the R, a 2-pack for clear and 1's privacy, and then a 2-pack for the S as well. So they were nice enough to send out all of their cases to me, and so I can get them out for you and tell you what I think about it. I tell you what though, Whitestone Dome is a great brand, and I'll be running probably a Whitestone Dome later on once I get some in house. But for now, you know, these screen protectors now, since they adhere to the entire screen, that is the way a screen protector should be anyway. The bubbles and stuff that you could possibly get, they will go away if you get any. So I like these screen protectors. I mean, I used to not rock with Whitestone Dome the way I did. And all actuality, until they sponsored one of my videos, because I just couldn't see myself paying that much for a tempered glass. But these tempered glass right here are extremely affordable. If it's not your thing to spend $45, $35 on a screen protector, which is not, the majority of the public is not going to do that. You get this 2-pack. The 2-packs cost $15, and for this, and I just think that's a sweet deal, man. 2 of them just in case you make a mistake or whatever. So that's just a huge plus. $15 for 2 of the screen protectors is a great deal, and it's like that on the 2-packs. Now for the privacy one, it's a little different, because obviously it's a privacy screen protector. So, you know what I'm saying, you only get 1 of them in there for that $15 price tag. But other than that, man, I mean, I don't have any complaints about this screen protector. I just don't. I think it's a good look. The quality of the screen is the same. Nothing's different. Touch sensitivity is there. And again, went on easy with no bubbles. And if you do get a bubble, you could remove it, but it's never the same once you remove it. It's always different, something about it. So I wanted to show you this tempered glass right here. It's a good look, man. Again, I'm testing out the facial recognition for you to show you that it's actually pretty good. And touch sensitivity, it is what it is, man. There is no lag, no nothing. You know what I'm saying? It's all there. It's good. Nothing. Everything's there. It's just, it is what it is. It's a good look. You can see, even though it covers the entire thing, obviously it has to be clear around that top portion right there. Some people like to have the notch area cut out. I hate to say that word. I slipped and said it. But some people like to have that cut out like that. But I think it looks good, man, with the full screen protector. You know what I'm saying? I'm really looking for all clear, because I know the Whitestone Dome is going to be all clear. I don't know if it's going to have this full screen, so we shall see later on. But for now, the GPel ones are actually looking pretty good, man. If you want a privacy one, it's $15 for 1. And if you want to get the clear one, you get 2 of them. So 1 for you and your wife, 1 for you and your husband, your girl, your boy, whatever, your son, your daughter, your granddaughter, your grandson, anybody. 2 in the pack for $15. It's not a bad deal. Now am I saying this is the best deal on the internet? Nah. There's plenty of alternatives out there for buying tempered glass, because the market is so flooded with accessories like this. It's difficult for you to actually choose one, and that's the way the OEMs want it. You know what I'm saying? But this one actually has a pretty decent rating online. I don't see how. Only way a tempered glass would get a bad rating is if it has bubbles and doesn't adhere well, or it has that glare. You know what I'm saying? This like when it touches down, some tempered glass have this ugly glare. You know what I'm saying? Or the touch sensitivity is bad. Those are the only reasons I could think of that I would not like a tempered glass. And this one checks all those boxes safely. like with no problem. So it's your man Jay. Tempered Glass is working good. No problems with it. Everything's good. Yeah, there it is.